Meet Katelyn Thornley, a 12-year-old girl from Texas who suddenly started sneezing nonstop, up to 20 times a minute. She couldn't stop sneezing for weeks, over 12,000 sneezes a day. It started out of nowhere, and it wasn't allergies or a cold. Doctors couldn't explain it. She couldn't go to school, eat properly, or sleep. The sneezing left her exhausted and in pain. Some experts thought it was anxiety or a rare neurological condition, but even with medication, nothing worked. No one could promise when or if it would stop. Katelyn's story became national news, one of the strangest medical cases ever reported.